Kia ora koutou. This is the first video about different types of words. In this video, we'll be looking at the definite and indefinite articles he, ke, and ngā. These are called Pūtohu, or another word for them is pūingoa. So here we have three Pūtohu in Te Reo Māori. He, which means a, an or some. Then we have te and ngā, which both mean the. Just a reminder that the word he can be used in other ways as well. But when it's used in front of a noun or a naming word, then this is what it means. Here are some examples. He whare, a house or some houses. This is what makes the word he an indefinite article. It's not related to anything specific. He whare, a house, can be any house. It's indefinite, not specific. Te is a definite article, meaning the. It talks about the house. It's definite. Same thing goes for ngā, which still means the, but it's more than one. Ngā whare, the houses. Here's a few more examples. He pātai, a question. He whare, a house. He kai, some food. Te kuri, the dog. Te tamaiti, the child. Te pukapuka, the book. And in the last set, ngā tamariki, the children. Ngā kaiako, the teachers. And ngā tāne, the men. So that's my introduction to ngā pūtohu. I hope you found the video useful. Now that you've learned about the articles, please have a look at my video called Introduction to Rere Mahi. Ngā mihi kia koutou katoa. Kia ora.